Okay, as usually, the class will be divided in four main sections. Here we will start with the announcement, then we move to a quiz. Later we will work in groups, and at the end of the class I will give you some of the answers of the exercise that we solved in class. So in the announcements, some of the students asked me if I can give you more information about the lab test. So here again, in addition to the videos that I show you, in addition to the lab test practice questions that you have, there is another Word document, and there you can find the different labs that you have to study. So for example, the microscopy lab, the macromolecules, the osmosis, the photosynthesis, as well as the virtual lab of the bacterial identification. I also give you more examples of questions that it would be a good idea to study, some examples of the lab manual question that it would be a good idea to study. There could be more questions, but those one I think that they are fundamental that you remember or you study them. Also some samples that you have to identify, as the lab will be online. If you don't remember how the pictures look like, you can go to the lab test, the practice one, and those pictures will appear there, so you will remember how they look like the onion in a hypotonic or hypertonic solution and the different bacteria. Again, there was an increase in some grades of and assignments and quizzes because you have several extra credits. In the beginning, I started sending emails to some of the students, giving some advice and talking about the increase that they had. It was taking too long, so I just tell everybody that you have, based on how much extra credits you have an increase in your assignments and in your quizzes. And for some of you that missed some of the assignments, or that you forgot to hand in, or you handed in late, the extra credit was very useful. And if you have any doubt, just let me know.